we're at the mall. Let's go check out what's new at H&M because I haven't found anything on their website. So let's go in the store and see. All right, so we actually started at Abercrombie. I saw these pants in the men's section. I'm gonna say a pre-warning that this fittage is so wiggly, and I'm sorry, I tried to stabilize it, didn't really work. But I saw these like pin striped loose carpenter style pants, and I loved them. I also tried a different pair, but I just don't know. I need y'all's opinion. Is it cute? Is it not? I think they're really cute, but I haven't decided. So I also got them in like a denim one to try on. They didn't have these in like a 28 or 29, so I got the size 30 and they're too big and they didn't have any more. I checked, but trying these on, these are more of like a distressed look. You'll see in just a second. Really thinking about it. Why am I trying on men's jeans? I don't know. Who am I? But let's look at them. Again, I tried on a pair a long time ago from Abercrombie that looked kind of like this, but they were women's. But I really like the patchwork, the distressing, the carpenterness of them. Again, you're going to have to just excuse my terrible camera. I swear after this clip, it gets better. So what do we think? Sound off. Are these cute? Or are these weird? They're too big, obviously, which is why I did not go home with them. But I think they have a lot of potential. And I'm a jeans girl, so I could see myself wearing them. Sound off in the comments down below. Let's move on to H&M. The whole reason I went into stores because I've been seeing everybody share what's new, and I can never find anything online. So I went into store, and I'll just tell you how this goes. So these are a striped pair of linen pants. Loved these. They were everything. I needed them. I will have all the things that I can because H&M sells out so fast. Link down below as well as the sizes. I loved this sweater. It was incredibly itchy and stupidly overpriced, which I'll talk about. But the button detailing, everything about this sweater was so pretty, except for the pockets weren't real pockets, which I feel as though they should have been for the price. Love the little color detail. Definitely looks expensive, and it kind of was. Next, this little like oatmeal-y creamy sweater. I really liked it. I didn't love it, so I said no. But I liked the kind of bell like sleeve, and I liked that it wasn't super long, and then I dropped it. So, dropped my camera. That is, my phone. Then I switched into this all linen set. These are linen pants. Yes, they're see-through. Same with the linen top. That is linen. I'm okay with it. I'm about it, actually. So, yes, love this all linen white set. And I thought it would be cute with like this little sweater thrown over the mix as well. Loved it. Very, very cute. You could wear it on its own or a little over the shoulder moment, which you know that I love. I was just feeling these beachy, springy vibes. Then we went into the Peterpan mecca with these like sleeves. So I thought this was cute. There was something weird about the neckline, but I didn't know if I loved it enough. It's kind of boxy, but it looks cute tucked in or tucked out. I love the sleeves. Now that I'm looking back at this, I kind of regret not getting that. I just felt like the detailing on the like collar didn't stand out enough. I wish it was in like a darker navy or a darker blue or white, because it's like a pinstriped white moment with the blue. So, yeah. Then there's this one. I loved this one, but honestly, I have a top so similar to this. It's not floral on the thing, but it has like a black and white Peter Pan collar, and I'm like, do I need to? But now that I'm looking at it, I think I do. Love the sleeve detailing, the little like bell sleeves with the bows. I think that's really in this year. I obviously wouldn't wear it with these jeans and sneakers, but I thought it was a super cute top, and I liked that the buttons were hidden by like a piece of material. There's that cream sweater again. I was really just deciding, do I like this? It's got like that oatmeal-y. It's got a lot of different texture with the color. And I liked the fit of it. I didn't love it. Y'all, that was an epic fail. Okay. So, a couple things. Abercrombie, those jeans I tried on, so cute. I really want them. They're men's. I'll do a voiceover because I can't like talk in the stores because copyright music. So, loved, hold on. I'm not gonna sit in the cold because I'm chilly. Loved those pants. Let me know whether you guys liked the stripe ones or just the plain denim ones better. They did not have my size in the denim ones in store. I think I liked those a little bit more. I felt like they'd be a bit more versatile, but let me know if the pinstripe ones are cute. But she didn't have them in store, and they also didn't have them online in a 30, 29, 30. She had 32, and I figured I want them a little bit cropped. Thought they'd be just like a fun, like, summer jean. They also would not, what else was I gonna say? Oh, online they're 15% off. So I'm gonna look online and see, and I have a couple merch cards. So I'm gonna look online for those. Next store I went into was H&M. No. Okay, no. I really liked, I was gonna walk away with those 2 linen pants without a doubt, but they were 25% off online. So again, I'm gonna buy them online, not in store, because that's dumb. She would not authorize the price. I think Abercrombie would have. In my past, I used to work for them, they used to. But I'm like, girl, I'm gonna buy them online for like $10 cheaper. So I'm gonna buy the striped and the whites. I have a white linen shirt from them, but I feel like you need a new set to crisp it up because the other one's been washed. So I feel like I'm gonna buy a full linen set with that. And then I know you could like see through everything, but you know what? That's linen. Like, we're just over the fact that yes, it's gonna be see-through, it's linen. I liked that tan sweater, but I didn't love it enough. And then I loved that blue sweater with the buttons. Oh my God, I was obsessed. Did not know it was $100. It was on sale for $74, but they don't have it online. So online it was like $74. It was so freaking itchy though. Like, it was gorgeous. It looked like a piece from like Cezanne, but it was so itchy. And I probably would have paid $74 for it if they had it in my size. They had it in white and they had it in blue, but they don't have it in size online at all. So that was kind of annoying. It was like mohair wool, but there's that. What else? I loved those little Peterpan tops, but I kind of already have 2 at home that I'm kind of like, do I need them? But they don't have that sleeve detail, so I'm like, do I need them? Or do I want to hold out for, honestly, I'm just debating if I should just buy the Gani top that's like peplumed over Peterpan, because I already have Peterpan tops. Like, do I need another one? Or should I just go peplum, because I don't have any peplums in my life. And I didn't like any of the peplum that they had in store. I didn't even try them on. So yeah, that was my fail of a mall haul. Then I also went to Zara. Didn't like anything enough to try it on. They really didn't have any spring stuff, to be honest with you. And then also walked through Gap. Absolutely not. Expected them to have linen. Is it just too early still? I feel like it's not. But I expected them to have linen and they did not. So I think I'm gonna get those H&M linen pants online. But I thought this would be more eventful than it was, so that's gonna be it. But if you like seeing shop with me's where normally I buy stuff. Oh, I did get a pair of earrings from H&M though. They were $3.50. How they are not sold online, so I cannot link them for you because I looked to see before I bought them. But they were $5.99 in store, but they were $3.50 when she rang them up. And I thought they were really cute. They're like a bigger, like, drop pearl on a hoop. I thought they were adorable. So that was my fail. I tried real hard to go into store. I still am happy that I went in store and like tried stuff on, especially with H&M. I feel like their stuff is just so hit and miss. But those linen pants in the stripes are coming on home with me, and the white ones. I'm just gonna save my coin and buy it online, so I recommend you do the same. I feel like H&M just always has better sales online than in store. Nonetheless, let's go home. Your girl is hungry. I hope you enjoyed this little shop with me. I don't know. Can I even call it that? I'm going to, but probably shouldn't call it that. You know where I should check before I place that H&M order though? Is I should look at J. Crew Factory. I have one by my house. I should look there for linen pants first. But they've got some cute spring stuff. I should just call and ask. I'm lazy.
Thanks for calling J. Crew Factory.
Thanks for calling J. Crew Factory. This is Kimberly.
Hi Kimberly. I just have a question. Have you guys started putting out your spring stuff yet, or are you still like have mostly winter stuff?
No, we have some good basics and some transitional stuff right now.
Okay.
But starting on Monday, we're getting another rollout of merchandise, and there's a lot more spring too.
Perfect. Okay, awesome. Well, I will be there on Monday.
Okay.
Thank
awesome.
you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye. Woo, woo. All right, you guys, we're back at home. This is like a week later? Not a week. Did I go to the mall? Friday, and today's Wednesday, so a little less than a week later. I did place an order at H&M and got that sale because I'm not paying full price, so I'll show you what I got, and I got a couple other little things. So the first I showed you already on were these white linen pants. I think they're stunning. They're really cute, and yeah, I'm happy with. I didn't look to see what the makeup of this is. So these pants are 55% linen and 45% viscose. So they're not 100% linen. Linen wrinkles, whether it's 100% linen or not, I find that it wrinkles a little less if it's a mix-up of fabrics. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy that I have these in my wardrobe. I also got them in the blue and white striped. I showed you these are a lot less see-through than the other ones. These feel more like full linen. I could be wrong. Nope, same makeup. But I love these. I'm really into striped pants. This summer, spring, summer, I've got more striped shirts. I have a lot of different striped pants. I'm here for it. I feel like, I know that fun pants have been like a really big thing. And I'm gonna embrace it this year. Okay, don't know why this string is chilling there. Anyway, I like that it has the bungee elastic, and then these are actually functioning to make them tighter if you need to. I also got the white linen shirt. I got this in a medium. I tried on a small in store, but I actually wanted it to be a tiny bit more oversized. Plus, I find that linen stuff shrinks a little bit, so I grabbed a medium in this. I have so many of their linen shirts, and yeah, I love them. See what the fabric makeup of this is. Okay, this is 100% linen, this shirt. No like mix to this guy. I also saw this and when I was checking out the other things, and I know, crazy button-ups, like go figure. I will never stop wearing button-ups, but I honestly don't have a light blue that's not like an Oxford kind of cotton, so I wanted more of like a lightweight one, so I grabbed this. This is very oversized, and I loved the sleeve detailing and how big it is. I got this in a size small, but it said it was oversized, so I'm excited. I love this blue. And then last but not least, I'm a sucker for stripes. I only have like thinner striped things, and to be honest, I kind of stick away from thicker stripes like this because I feel like they can just look a bit masculine, I don't know how to explain it, but I loved this. It's kind of like a cream base with black stripes. I mean, your girl's gonna do a little bit of this and a little bit of wearing. Yeah, I'm here for it. So that's everything that I ended up getting from H&M online. I tried on a ton of stuff in store, but I just left the Peterpan colored tops there. I just feel like, I don't know if I needed more in my life. So, still on the fence about that. Also, did not get a chance to go to J. Crew, but plan to go very soon. So if you want to see a shop with me from J. Crew Factory, let me know, and I will be happy to do that. Ignore my messy background, but here's that shirt, insanely wrinkled. But it's oversized and large, and I like the sleeves on this. I just think this is very like casual and cozy. I would definitely tuck it into something or put it over my shoulders. So first striped shirt. This is a small for reference, and it's very, very large. Okay, and here's that blue button up again. So wrinkly. I hate when I do this, but whatever. I love the structure of this. It's got a good like layout. I like that it doesn't have any sort of pockets on it, and I like the sleeves quite large. So with these, this is what I mean with the linen pants. Yeah, they're see-through, but like I would wear things that will A, like, I don't care, but B, like, I wear things that are like longer so you don't really notice. and I don't care because I'm here for it. And I was debating on getting these in a medium, but I looked at the hip part on the medium and it looked too crazy. Like too crazy, I mean like too wide, because I was nervous that they would shrink, but I feel like if they do, I have a little bit at the bottom that I could take out, but I think they're perfect, so. And the other stuff you've already seen me try on, so that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this style video. If you like this style video where I try on some things in store and also like at home, I don't know, whatever. Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video real soon.